In last video, I talked about HTML response. In this video, I'll talk about response format. We already knew that when a client sends a request, which type of response client is accepting, it is passed with request headers. Response provides us a format method, which method negotiates with which type of response client is accepting, and based on that, we can send that type of response. So let's see how it works. Response.format. This method takes parameter as object. The key of this object is accept type. For example, text/plain. And the value of this object key is a function. And I will send a response. Response.send plain text response. So the key value pair represent if the client accepts text/plain, then call this function. That means send this response. We can define more key and value pair if the client accepts application/JSON, then got JSON response. Response.json, name Jahid, email jahid@xyz.com. If client accept text/html, then client got response. Response.render will pass here pages/home.exe. pages/home.exe. Alright, this format has a fallback which is default. If nothing matches, then this function will call, like response.send nothing match. So take a look again. If client accept text/plain, then this function will call response.send plain text response. If client accept application/JSON, then this function will call. Here it will call response.json. If client accept text/html, then this function will call response.render. If nothing match, that means default fallback, then it will call this function. If we save the file, go to Postman, I'll define a accept text/plain, send a request. We got plain text response, which is coming from this function. If accept is application/JSON and send a request, we got JSON response. That means this function is calling. If accept is text/html and send a request, we got HTML response. Heading 1, heading 1. That means this function is calling. If nothing matches, if we send application/octet stream and send a request, we got nothing matched. That means this default fallback is calling. Alright, that's all for this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture.